How to log out of SoundCloud application. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In this video I will simply guide you on how you can actually log out of the SoundCloud app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log out of the SoundCloud app, let's say that you are logged in, you don't know how to log out, you're just trying to switch your account or something but you're not being able to sign it out. Well, it is actually very simple. All you need to do is just open the SoundCloud application. Once you launch the SoundCloud app, you will see this type of interface where from the bottom you have to go to the library tab, right? Once you come to the library tab over here, at the very top right hand side you'll find a little settings or the gear icon. You just need to make sure to tap on the gear icon here. As you tap on the gear icon, over here at the bottom you'll find another option labeled as sign out. So all you need to do is just tap the sign out button. It will ask you for a confirmation. Do you want to clear the user data? You will have to reconnect your SoundCloud account, so you just need to basically tap the yes button in order to log out of SoundCloud. This is simply how you can log out SoundCloud. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.